as I was spending so many days in Calicut, so now I have planned to come to Wayanad. So Wayanad is so much near to Calicut, and it's a part of like in Wayanad there are so many places like Sultan Bateri and so many you can comment over here.
गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन, हम आ चुके हैं वायनाड में और यहाँ अभी अभी सूर्य उदय हो रहा है. सो द सन इज़ राइजिंग राइट नाउ एंड इट्स बिट ऑफ द फॉग ओवर देयर. सो इट्स काइंड ऑफ कुछ कोल्ड एंड मिक्स वेदर. सो आई एम गोइंग टू सी I'm going to enjoy the new year in Wayanad. So let's see how it's going to come up. And you can see over there sun is rising, but you can't see it properly because it's over that back side, and I'm standing here and it's entire fog, and fog has covered all the mountains. So anyway, let's see how our Wayanad trip is going to be in this new year.
If you are planning to go to the mountains, so Wayanad is a particular, like you can say, like the best place if you want to go. You can see over here while we are driving on the road, the sun is coming and the sun is rising basically, and there is like mountains and very much cold weather. Not too much, but yeah, it is comparatively cold. And now we are so hungry, so we are here, and this is now one of my favorite cafe, Mysore Cafe of Wayanad, in which like the food is super tasty. I have eaten dosa from entire like Kerala, but this is one of my favorite dosa, and now my colleagues are staring at me because I am making their video. They are so much tired, they are like driving the entire night, and I was the one who was sleeping entire night while the journey was going on. This kind of idol of Lord Krishna you will only see in Kerala. Not only in Kerala, but I have seen in Kerala specifically, Krishna's idol is like with flute and they are standing in the same way. So majorly the idols are made in this way, and as I am so much influenced with Kerala and the culture, so I like everything in Kerala, and this is one of the major thing also.
Morning everyone, हम हैं केरला के वायनाड के मसूर कैफ़े में. तो अभी मॉर्निंग के 8 o'clock हो रहे हैं और आप मेरे पीछे यहाँ पर एक देख सकते हैं. केरला में जो एलिफेंट होते हैं उनको ऐसे ऊपर से ये चीज़ पहनाई जाती है. ओके, तो आपको ये त्रिशूरपुरम में देखने को मिलेगा. और स्ट्रेंज बात ये है कि बीइंग इन केरला फॉर लास्ट 4 years आई हैवंट बीन टू त्रिशूरपुरम, वेयर एज आई लिव नेक्स्ट टू द त्रिशूरपुरम एरिया लाइक स्वराज राउंड. देन दैट इज़ माई कंडीशन. सो एनीवे, so this Mysore Cafe, Mysore is basically not in Kerala, but still like the taste and everything was super good. Today I just had the dosa. The dosa was different from the one which we usually eat in Kerala. It was quite thicker, and the chamandis was also the coconut chamandi was mixed with pudina, mint chutney, so it was quite tasty and different, which I really liked it, because every time having the same taste is like makes boring, right? So if you are coming to Kerala, if you are coming to Karnataka, because Mysore is basically in Karnataka, so it's a veg cafe which is in Kerala Wayanad, so you can also come and enjoy. The breakfast is super duper tasty, and the way they have managed the beauty you can see over here, and I have shown you there was Krishna's idol. So this is really interesting to see.
Mysore is basically in Karnataka, but Mysore Cafe you will find everywhere in the entire world, and they have maintained a very good like Indian culture in their cafe itself, so which I really liked.
पर इन्होंने जो एक टेम्पल टाइप का बना रखा है, आई थिंक इट लुक्स लाइक राम टेम्पल, बट आई एम नॉट श्योर वेदर इट्स द सेम और नॉट. We are so tired. We started from Thrissur around 12 a.m. and we reached here very early. So we can check in our hotel only at 11 a.m. So we are just passing the time somehow. Anyway, it is good. Here actually in Wayanad it is supposed to be cold, but it's not that cold. It's not at all cold, even though I'm wearing sweater just for the safety, because last week I fall ill. That's why just for the safety I'm wearing it. But the reality, it's not that cold over here. But yeah, like it looks sunny, but the wind is cooler, comparatively cooler, just because it's a little bit on the higher top. But Wayanad, I do not know the exact geography of Wayanad, but we are like taking over the hills to come to the Wayanad, but after coming to a certain level, like there is a place Sultan Bathery, that's totally plain. It's very strange. I live in Kochi. In Kochi itself, like it's somewhere high, somewhere low. It's like slopey. But whereas in Sultan Bathery, it's not the same. It's totally plain. So it's God's creation. I do not know the geography. The people who are aware about this geography of Wayanad, so let me know in the comment section.
सो फाइनली अब हम होटल में आ चुके हैं. तो अभी मेरे को ज़रूरत है आराम करने की, बिकॉज आई एम ट्रैवलिंग अ लॉट, लाइक फ्रॉम यूपी टू केरला, then to Calicut. Now I am in Wayanad, and this is how the night looks in Wayanad. So not every day, because this was the New Year night, so I'm adding this New Year night clip now. But Wayanad, actually there was a good celebration going on everywhere, and I personally enjoyed a lot in Wayanad.
Happy New Year to all. It's 1st Jan, and today my day have started at 10 p.m. without any breakfast because of this guy. Can you show your face? This guy, he's not letting me eat breakfast just because I got late while dressing up. See his dress up. He is wearing shirt and pant. This man is wearing shirt and pant. You know him from last Wayanad trip.
Two men are wearing shirt and pant. Actually, men cannot wear sari.
See their things. And just look at me. I'm wearing sari by myself. You know how hard it is to wear a sari. I took that courage to wear. And these two guys didn't let me get dressed up. And now when I dressed up, they're not letting me eat. I'm so hungry. I'm in Wayanad. I have to go to Mysore Cafe. They're not letting me go. So Mysore Cafe people, if you are watching, these are the people who are stopping your brandings. Okay, let's go. No, please. I'm seriously hungry.
Actually, it's a matter of time. Just 10 minutes. We need to go for that inauguration. We can come.
Inauguration